Emu. It's a big bird with long legs and a long neck. It can't fly, but it runs very fast. Ostrich. It's the largest bird in the world. It lays huge eggs and kicks to protect itself. Pekin duck. It's white with an orange beak and feet. It waddles around the farm and loves water. Fainting goat. It falls over when scared, but only for a second. It's gentle and funny to watch. Bantam chicken. It's a tiny chicken with colorful feathers. It lays small eggs and is very friendly. Draft horse. It's tall and strong with big hooves. It used to pull plows and wagons on farms. Jerusalem donkey. It has a special dark cross on its back. It's calm and often helps carry loads. Mini pig. It's small and super cute. Some people even keep them as pets. Brahmin cow. It has big ears and a hump on its back. It likes hot weather and is very calm. Woolly sheep. It grows extra thick wool. It stays warm in cold places and needs shearing in spring. Nubian goat. It has long, floppy ears and a friendly face. It gives sweet, creamy milk. Indian runner. Duck. It stands straight like a penguin. It runs instead of waddling. Shetland pony. It's small but strong. Children love to ride and brush it. Dorking chicken. It has 5 toes instead of 4. It's quiet and lays tasty eggs. Barred rock chicken. It has black and white stripes. It's a good layer and easy to take care of. Arapawa goat. It's black and white and loves climbing. It lives on farms and wild places. Barnevelder chicken. It has shiny dark feathers with a green shine. It lays dark brown eggs. Welsh mountain sheep. It's small and hardy with thick wool. It lives in rocky farm areas. Australian shepherd dog. It's smart and energetic. It helps herd sheep and cows. Guernsey cow. It's reddish brown and white. It gives tasty golden milk. Welsh mountain sheep. It's small and hardy with thick wool. It lives in rocky farm areas.